In the periodic table, it divides up into metal, non-metal. And now see how's the ions relationship shown onto this table. Now let's see. On group 1, I select sodium. Let's see how it works. Sodium, it have 11 protons, so you will have 11 electrons. It's balanced, no charge. So now you have no charge. Now look onto the outside electron. You have 1 electron outside orbit. And about the outlet rule, they tend to lose 1 electron. They tend to lose 1 electron. Once they lost the outside electron, they are no longer balanced. So 11 positive, 10 negative. So now the charge are not 0. The charge are +1. Now this is an ion. So ions bear charge. Look onto another example. Magnesium. 12 protons should have 12 electrons. And now they tend to lose the 2 outside electrons. These 2 electrons, when they lose, now how many electrons they left now? They have 10 electrons against 12 protons. Now the charges are no longer balanced. Now they become positive 2 charge. And now this is an ion. Now let's look onto the non-metal side. I select group 7, chlorine. Chlorine, you have 17 protons, you must have 17 electrons. Now this is balanced. But remember the outside shell. Look, outside shell have 7 protons. Outlet rule, they tend to gain 1 more. When they gain 1 more electron, how many electrons now? 18 electrons against 17 protons. The charges are no longer balanced. Now it becomes 1 negative. 1 negative. So this becomes a negative ion. A negative ion. Another example. Sulfur. You have how many protons? 16. How many electrons? Should be 16. But on the outside shell have 6 electrons. Outlet rule tend to gain 2 more. After it gain 2 more electrons, are they still 16? Of course not. It becomes 18 electrons. 18 electrons against 16 protons. So now they bear the charge. 2 minus. So this is again a negative ion. So all the metal tend to become positive ion. Non-metal tend to become negative ion. Group 1, they tend to lose 1 electron. So they become positive 1. Group 2, they have 2 outside electrons. And they tend to lose 2 outside electrons. And they become 2+. Let's look on non-metal. Group 7 tend to gain 1 electron. When they gain 1 electron, they become 1 minus. Group 6, you have 6 electrons, and they tend to gain 2 electrons. When they gain 2 electrons, they become 2 minus. The summary. Metal group 1 lost 1 electron, become 1 plus. Group 2 lost 2 electron, become 2 plus. This is the metal tend to lose electron, become positive ion. Positive ion called cation. Cation. Look onto non-metal. Group 7 tend to gain 1 electron, become negative 1. Group 6 tend to gain 2 electrons, become negative 2. Non-metal tend to gain electron, become negative ion. Negative ions called anion. Anion. Please learn this definition well. This is the metal relationship, and metal become positive ion, non-metal become negative ion.